Welcome to our educational video on using numbers, currency, and percentages in formulas. In this unit, we'll explore the intricacies of working with these data types, understanding the differences, and mastering common functions and operators. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to create powerful formulas that deal with numerical data. Let's dive in. Before we delve into the details, let's outline what we aim to achieve by the end of this unit. We'll understand the nuances of number, currency, and percent formula return types, explore their differences, discover practical use cases, and of course, create formulas that leverage these data types. Let's start with the basics. The number type allows you to specify decimal places and has a maximum length of 18 digits. Currency, on the other hand, has its own data type with a built-in currency sign. Percentages are also a distinct data type, represented as a number divided by 100. Now, let's explore common functions and operators. When working with numbers, currency, and percentages, you'll frequently use mathematical operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation. Additionally, comparison operators help you compare values. The round function is a handy tool to round numerical values, ensuring precision in your calculations. Now let's delve into some practical examples. Number formulas are incredibly versatile. For instance, you can calculate gross margin profit, determine commissions based on custom fields, or even perform unit conversions like Celsius to Fahrenheit. Before we proceed, let's be mindful of common errors. Dividing by 0 can lead to errors in your formulas. Always ensure that the denominator is never 0. Additionally, when checking null fields, it's best to use the is_blank function to avoid complications. And there you have it. You've mastered working with numbers, currency, and percentages in formulas. To initiate the customization process, head to Setup. Utilize the Quick Find box to easily locate and access the Object Manager. Direct your attention to Account under Fields and Relationships. Click New to start creating our custom field. Choose Currency as our field type. Click Next to move forward. This will enable us to track financial information with precision. In the Field Label section, name our new field Principal. Notice that the field name populates automatically for you. Set decimal places to 2, as we want 2 digits after the decimal point for currency precision. Leave the remaining options as default and click Next. Click Next once more, review your configurations, and then confidently click Save to implement your new Principal currency field. Congratulations! You've successfully created a customized Principal currency field in Salesforce. To kick off our customization journey, head to the Setup menu and click. Easily go to Object Manager. Once in the Object Manager, navigate to Account Object. Go to Fields and Relationships and select New to create our custom field. For our interest rate field, select Formula as the field type. This will allow us to calculate interest rates dynamically. In the Field Label section, name our field Interest Rate. Notice that the field name populates automatically, making things convenient. Now select Percent as the formula return type. Let's leave the decimal places at the default value of 2 for standard percentage precision. Write the formula in Formula Editor. With our configurations in place, click Next to proceed to the next step. Click Next again to review your settings, and when you're ready, confidently click Save. Fantastic job! You've successfully created a customized interest rate formula field in Salesforce. To start our customization journey, head to the Setup menu and click. Next, go to Object Manager. In the Object Manager, click on Account and then Fields and Relationships. Select New to create our custom formula field. Choose Formula as the field type and click Next to continue with our customization. In the Field Label section, name our field Accumulated Interest. The field name will automatically populate. Now, for the formula return type, select Currency and click Next. Insert the Principal field into the Formula Editor. After entering the formula, check syntax to avoid any error. Then click Next. On the field security page, click Next again and then confidently click Save to finalize your formula. Congratulations! You've successfully crafted a formula to calculate accumulated continuously compounded interest on an account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.